Today, here we are going to discuss the basic concept of assembler from unit number 1, system programming concept. The already we have discussed the concept of the assembler. What are the types of assembler? What are the basic concept of assembler? Now, here we are going to discuss the how we find out the locations counter using the given code. Now, here you may find when the program myprobe start using star 15 BLR 150 LA. Now this is a given program. For this given program, how we calculate the locations counter? First, here you find the two columns where we have the first column indicate the LC, where the second counter is we have a design for the pseudo opcode. We know that the instructions is divided into two types. First is called as a pseudo opcode and the second is called as a instruction. What do you mean by pseudo opcode and what do you mean by instructions, that already we have discussed. Now today we are going to find out the how we calculate the locations, or today we are going to discuss how we calculate the locations counter using the given program. Now before going to locations counter, we must know the concept of the using pseudo opcode and the locations counter. We know that pseudo opcode doesn't take the any locations counter. Start, using, DCDS, these are called as a pseudo opcode, and LA, SR, these are the our machine instructions. Now here you will find the start is a first pseudo opcode, that's why it doesn't take the any types of locations counter, so here we write the 0 value. Okay, now second is also is a locations counter, that's why pseudo opcode, that's why here we have taken the second 0 value right to the locations counter. Now BLR is the one types of instructions. Here you may find the BLR is the one types of instructions. So that's why what are the 0 here we have find that we keep as it is in that BLR locations. So BLR is a what types of instructions? It is a what types of instruction? It is a SR types of instructions. Okay, sorry, it is called as a register to register instructions. Now we know that it will take it takes the 2 bytes to allocate the locations counter, so that's why here we have no 0 plus 2, next locations counter is 2. Now again here we have the LA instructions. LA is again RX types of instructions. Okay, so that's why it will take the 4 byte. But what happened after the LA, here you may find the using is a pseudo opcode, that's why what are the 4 we have included, we have write in the pseudo opcode locations, so that's why here we have write. Now again here we may find the drop is again pseudo opcode, that's why here we give the 6. Now after the drop, here we have the LH types of instructions. Okay, what types of instruction is here? LX types. It is again RX types of instructions. Okay, as per the, now here you may find it will take the 4 byte. Now if we take the 4 byte, 6 plus 4, that is the 10. Now here we may find DC and DS. We know that already we have discussed in the yesterday lecture or previous lecture, that means where we find the DC and DS, we need to make it as a make a alignment. Okay, so here we will find the DC. So what DC and F, if we found the F, we make it as a multiple of 4. Okay, so 10 is not a multiple of 4, so that's why the next value to make it as multiple 4 is a 12. So here we have make the alignment. Now again we find the DC, 10 plus 12 plus 4, 16. Now again we need to make the alignment. 16 is a multiple of 4 because here we have found the F value. Okay, basic concept already we have discussed, so you must understand that basic concept. Okay, so that's why here 16 is the alignment. Now again you may find the DC, you need to make the alignment, so 16 plus 4, 20. So 4 is a 20 is a multiple of 4, that's why here we write is a 4. After that DC, here we need to add the 24, where we doesn't need to make it as a alignment. Why it is we we are not make it as alignment because here we don't have the DC and DS. Okay, that's because here we have found that the end of the programs. Okay, now end is a pseudo opcode, that's why here we write a 24. Now while calculating the any program, while calculating the any address, we need to calculate, or we need to understand some basic formula how we calculate address, that is called as the EA, offset, in bracket, index register and the base registers. We know that how we find the base registers. How we find the base register? Using registers we can get the base registers. Now how we find the offset? Offset we can calculate on the basis of value of symbol minus content of base. So this is the basic concept where we find out the locations counter. Okay, and what are the basic things where, or basics formula we are required to generate the machine score, because these are the formula we need to use while generating the machine score. What are the program we have given? We need to find out the symbol table, literal table, machine table, base tables. So while calculating or while generating the machine table, we need to use these such types of formula, that is called as address equals to offset, index, registers and base registers. And how we calculate the offset? Offset we can calculate on the basis of value of symbol minus content of base. So thank you.